Oh, it really is. I mean, just here at Beddington Trail, you can see the backups are extending this far and even well beyond towards Airport Trail. I can only imagine in maybe the next 5 to 10 minutes, we're going to see backups stretching all the way to Country Hills Boulevard. So now's a good time to be planning those alternate routes like Stony Trail, Métis Trail, Edmonton Trail. From my vantage point, still moving okay down towards 16th Avenue, and of course 14th Street's also an option as you head past Nose Hill. Children with a cough, ear pain, or stomach issues can often be cared for at home. Know your options at ahs.ca/HEAL. Up in Global One, I'm Brandi Warren.